Okay, so you know that these Victorinox knives have scissors, and I'm not the first to notice this, so it's nothing new, but you see the old model with the spring and the new model with that other springy type, but it's also a different blade, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's do the old knife first. Paper. Yeah, really nice. Cotton. Easy. And rope. Okay, so now the other model. Paper. Fine. Cloth. Well, you see what I mean. Far more difficult. Rope. Doesn't work at all. I don't know what is wrong. Maybe it's this particular blade, but I've seen other clips where they also struggle cutting simple things like that. So the Del Monte version, the blade is not so effective, or the scissors, I have to say, the blade of the scissors is not so effective as the old ones with the springs on, for instance, the Huntsman. Yeah? Alright, so just so you know.